Hi everybody, welcome back to my next gameplay with Megan. Sorry if I haven't been doing them lately, but now I'm back to them. I will now be playing the 1987 shared data Apple II version of Wheel of Fortune with Megan. But I'm playing this for Megan, not for myself. One player, not a returning champion. See if I can win Megan a bundle this game. Alright, first round category is person, and here we go. $300. An R? Yeah, 2 R's. Oh, lose a turn. Alan. $250. There's an N. There's a D. $450. There's no S. Cheryl. $400. There's no P. $400. Is there an M? Yeah, 1 M. Spin. $900. An L. 3 L's. Let's go ahead and solve it. Alexander Graham Bell. All right! And Megan's total this game stands at $3,700. Let's move on to the next round. The category is event for this round. Round 2 starts with player 2. That's Alan. $900. There's no M. We go to Cheryl. $300. There's no N either. $250. Is there a T? There's a T. Spin again. 200. I'd like an R. Yeah, 2 of them. Oh, lose a turn. And Alan gets 450. There's an L. Oh, Alan's gonna spin. Let's see what he gets. 200. There's a D. Goodbye, Val. There's no A. We go to Cheryl. And Cheryl spins a bankrupt. Haha, you fail, Cheryl. As we go back to Megan. Ooh, 400. How about S? Let's go ahead and put up a vowel. An E. Why don't we go ahead and solve it? The World Series. Now Megan's total stands at $4,900. We will now move on to our next round. Category for this round is a phrase. Round 3 starts with player 3. That's Cheryl. $900. There's a couple of T's. Cheryl's going to spin. I think there's a couple N's up there. Spinning. Oh, 500. There are 2 H's. Uh-oh, you better not. Ah, no K. So he can't so she can't cash in. Oh, maybe I can cash it. S. Let's go ahead and solve the puzzle. There's something for everyone. Alright! It's quite a heap of cash I won, Megan. Let's see how much. $14,900 is Megan's winning total this game. Phew. Megan's our winner, and she gets to go on to the bonus round. Let's give her the sports car, just like in the NES version. Category for this round is place. I'm going to put up RSTLNE. Oh, Sacramento! Alright! Now let's see what I won Megan this game. It looks like I won her the American sports car. And she wins the game with her additional total of $25,400. And I will see you all for the next gameplay that I do with her. We'll be right back, folks.